find better, baby, but just wait for me. I know you think you could find better, baby, but just wait. Find better, baby, but just wait for me.
So what I'm looking for is a spot to where I can just separate the lead vocal from the instrumental, right? Because all I got is a 2-track instrumental. And so I pretty much use mid-side EQing to pretty much like not turn the whole beat down or not turn the whole vocals up. I like to try to blend that shit in. Like, I like to try to have that beat engulf the vocals, you heard me? So I'm gonna
baby, but just wait for me. I know you think you could find better, baby, but just wait. Find better, baby, but just wait for me. Find better, baby, but just wait for me. I know you think you could find better, baby, but just wait. Find better, baby, but just wait for me. I know you think you could find better, baby, but just wait. Find better, baby, but just I know you think you could find better, baby, but just wait. Find better, baby, but just wait for me. I know you think you could find better, baby, but just wait. Find better, baby.
All right, that's just that. For now, I'm done, bruh. I'm pretty much done with what I'm gonna do with this track for right now. And I like to bounce in between tracks like that because I'm getting tired of hearing this track over and over and over and over and over again. Y'all probably been tired of hearing this track over and over and over again. But I'm tired. I'm at this point. I'm tired of hearing it. Anybody want me to mix this shit in one of these videos? Send that trash to me.
Wait for me. I know you think you could find better, baby, but just wait.